Legal analysis and key issues 1. Procedural history of the ICC investigation. According to the warrant of arrest, the ICC's proceedings on the Philippines situation were initiated on April 19, 2021. The ICC assigned the situation in the Republic of the Philippines to a pretrial chamber. September 15, 2021. The chamber authorized the commencement of an investigation into alleged crimes committed in the Philippines. It is important to note that the Philippines formally withdrew from the ICC on March 16, 2019. However, the ICC's investigation only started 2 years after the withdrawal, raising legal questions on whether the ICC retains jurisdiction over a non-member state that has already exited from the Rome Statute. The question of ICC jurisdiction. Under Article 127 of the Rome Statute, a withdrawing state is still obligated to cooperate with ICC investigations only if the proceedings commenced before the withdrawal took effect. In this case, the Philippines withdrew on March 16, 2019. The ICC investigation began April 19, 2021, 2 years after the withdrawal. Given these facts, the argument can be made that the ICC no longer has jurisdiction over the Philippines. Defense against the ICC Arrest Warrant 1. The principle of complementarity, Article 1 of the Rome Statute. The ICC is a court of last resort and should only intervene if a country is unwilling or unable to prosecute a case on its own. The Philippines has an existing criminal justice system, and cases related to alleged crimes against humanity have already been investigated and prosecuted locally. Based on Article 17 of the Rome Statute, a case is inadmissible before the ICC if the state is actively investigating or prosecuting the case. There is no evidence of bias or unjustified delay in the legal proceedings. The accused is not being shielded from accountability. As of 2025, Duterte is already a private citizen, and numerous cases have been filed against him and his allies in Philippine courts. This indicates that the Philippine justice system is functioning, which challenges the ICC's justification for intervening. 2. The Philippine Constitution and National Sovereignty Article 2, Section 7 of the 1987 Constitution mandates that the Philippines must pursue an independent foreign policy to protect national sovereignty, territorial integrity, and self-determination. Some argue that under RA 9851, Philippine Law on Crimes Against Humanity, the country may waive jurisdiction in favor of an international tribunal. However, this may be unconstitutional if it violates the country's independence in handling its own legal affairs. Possible legal remedies for Duterte. Under Article 19 of the Rome Statute, the accused has the right to challenge the admissibility of the case before the ICC. Given that the warrant of arrest has already been served, Duterte may file a legal challenge questioning the ICC's jurisdiction. Invoke Article 17 to argue that the Philippines is actively handling these cases through its own courts. Rely on constitutional provisions that uphold national sovereignty and oppose foreign intervention in domestic legal matters. However, even if Duterte challenges the case, the ICC arrest warrant remains valid until a ruling is made, meaning he still faces a legal dilemma. Conclusion. This case highlights key issues regarding jurisdiction, complementarity, and Philippine sovereignty. The main legal arguments against the ICC's arrest warrant are: the Philippines had already withdrawn from the ICC when the investigation began. The local justice system is actively addressing the allegations, making ICC intervention unnecessary. The Philippine Constitution prioritizes national sovereignty, which may make external prosecution unconstitutional.